Myself is Mimi Ghosh. I completed my MA and B.Ed course. I am interested to acquire knowledge, so I like to studying different varieties books, and I like to watching the TV programs and the others news and programs. Conversations. Hi mom, how are you? I am fine. What are you doing? I am picking vegetables. When will you come here and meeting with me? I am trying to meeting you and seeing you after summer vacations. Okay, I am waiting for you. Okay is all right in our house. Okay is all right. Through the columns of his stem daily, I like to ventilate my protest against unemployment is a characteristic that we should be in convention such a way for uncertain period. Drug addictions. Drug addiction is the major problems in our society, and it is the social push the major of young generations are faced to the death, and as a result is very poor. Hi mom, what are you doing? I am digging a hole. Why are you digging a hole? I am digging hole to plant a tree. What is the tree? It is the apple tree. Wow. How does it grow up? It grows up at slow at first. Why are you thinking that the major problems of drug addiction in our society? Drug addiction is the social push in our society, the major of pupil, especially as the young generations are faced to the drug addictions. As the results, they are faced to the death. So we should be too conscious to stop it immediately. What should be the doctor's main attentions? The doctor's main attentions to take carefully view to their patients and pay attention about them, and they are trying to also always to survive their patients and give to them good medicines and protections. What should be to the teacher's main attentions? The teacher's main attentions should be to grow up their students and give to all them good educations, and thus they can create a good society, and they can inform a educated good society.